Hello friend, today I am going to solve a problem based on Otto cycle. So here the minimum pressure and temperature in an Otto cycle are 100 kilopascal and 27 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat added to the air per cycle is 1500 kilojoule per kg. So determine the pressure and temperature at all point of the air standard Otto cycle. And second one is also calculate the specific work and thermal efficiency of a cycle for the compression ratio 8 by 1. Take for air Cv equal to 0.72 kilojoule per kg Kelvin and gamma is 1.4. So first you have to know this what you have to given in this problem and what you have to required to calculate. So first I am going to draw PV diagram of Otto cycle. So here I am 1 to 2 I am consider reversible adiabatic compression process, and 2 to 3 that is constant volume heat addition process, and 3 to 4 this one and this one reversible adiabatic expansion process, and 4 to 1 this one to this one is constant volume heat rejection process. So in problem you have to give an minimum pressure, that means P1 is equal to 100 kilopascal. If I am going to convert in bar, so equal to 1 bar. So here I am explain. And minimum temperature is given 27 degrees Celsius and convert into Kelvin, so at 273, so 300 Kelvin. Heat added already given is 1500 kilojoule per kg, and compression ratio also given R is equal to V1 by V2 equal to 8 and Cv 0.72 kilojoule per kg and gamma also given 1.4. So first I am going to calculate pressure and temperature at all points. So consider I am process 1 से 2, that is adiabatic compression process. So you can write T2 by T1 equal to V1 by V2 power gamma minus 1. So V1 by V2 is a, I am already told you, is a compression ratio. So you can write R. So R gamma minus 1. So R value is already is given, compression ratio is 8. So and gamma value also given 1.4. So here you can find T2 by T1 equal to 2.297. So T already is given in problem. So you can find here T2. The T2 is coming 689.1 Kelvin. And also you can find P1 V1 gamma 1 equal to P2 V2 gamma. So P2 by P1 you can write V1 by V2. V1 by V2 is compression ratio. So you can find here P2. P2 is equal to P1 R 1.4. So R gamma compression ratio is given 8. So here P2 you can find 18.379 bar. Now I am going to process 2 to 3, that is constant volume process, heat addition constant volume process. So you can write M, here I am consider 1 kg of mass, so you can write heat supplied is equal to M Cv T3 minus T2. So you can write Cv T3 minus T2 equal to, and heat supplied is heat added is given 1500 kilojoule per kg. T2 already you can find, Cv given in our problem T3. So here you can find T3. So T3 is equal to 2772.4 Kelvin, and also you can find P3 by P2 equal to T3 by T2. So you can here find P3. P3 is equal to P2 into T3 by T2. So P2 you know, T3 no, and T2 no. So P3 is equal to coming 73.94 bar. Now I am going to proceed next process 3 to 4. So that is adiabatic expansion process. So you can write for adiabatic expansion process T3 by T4 equal to V4 by V3 gamma, sorry, whole power gamma minus 1, and you can write V4 equal to V1, you can see here, that is because constant volume process V4 equal to V1 and V3 equal to V2 because volume is constant. So you can write in place of V4 you can write V1 and V3 is equal to V2. So V1 by V2 is gamma, R, that means compression ratio. So you can find here T4. So you can write T4 equal to T3 by R whole power gamma minus 1. T3 is equal to that is T3 and R 8. So we can find T4 from here 1206.9 Kelvin. So also you can find P3 V3 power gamma equal to P4 V4 power gamma. So P4 equal you can find here P3 by V3 by V4. So that is you can write P4 is equal to P3 and gamma. So you can find P4 is 4.023 bar. So you are find each point pressure and temperature. So now you can go into second step. So you can find a specific work and thermal efficiency. So you know that a specific work is heat added minus heat rejected. So heat added, that means heat added in process. Here heat is added process 3 to 4 and heat is rejected from 4 to 1 process. So you can write here Cv T3 minus T2 minus Cv T4 minus T1. So Cv is common from both sides. So you can put this value T3 is 2772.4 Kelvin minus 689.1 Kelvin minus T4 is 1206.9 Kelvin minus 300. T1 is 300. So you can find a specific work is 847 kilojoule per kg. Now I am going to solve thermal efficiency. So you know that thermal efficiency is 1 minus 1 by compression ratio power gamma minus 1. So compression ratio already is given is 8. So you can write 1 minus 1 by 8 whole power 1.4 minus 1. So finally you can find thermal efficiency of Otto cycle is 56.47%. Okay, thank you.